Cutting and breaking glass can be fun and easy, but sometimes it can be frustrating too. So today I'm going to show you how to break glass with your hands, with your breaking grossing pliers and running pliers. Let's get started. I'm going to use a Toyo pencil cutter today, and I'm going to score the glass from end to end. Consistency is key. And I'm going to use my hands. So I want to place my thumbs on either side of the score, and you always want to break in this motion. Up from the bottom and down on both sides. Now, let's cut a narrow strip, and we'll use our breaking grossing pliers to break this off. So with breaking grossing pliers, we want the flat side up and the curved jaw on the bottom. So they're smiling. I'm going to place the pliers right next to the score and the same motion. Perfect. Now let's use our running pliers. I'm going to score the glass end to end. And I'm going to line this line up with the score line. And if you look at the jaws, they are curved the same way, up from the bottom and down on the sides. We're going to line that up to our score line, this line, and give it a squeeze. Perfect. Let's go break some glass.